But it does have a smoke ring. Look at all those juices just going over there like a waterfall. It looks beautiful. So that is how brisket is done. Looks great. Hey guys, it's Fuller Farm and I am here in the kitchen finishing off a brisket that's been in here for 24 hours in the sous vide cooker. This is the Anova Sous Vide Cooker. You can see it's in a baggie there. So this beef brisket went into the smoker for about 2.5 hours, and then I transferred it into the sous vide, and it's now been actually about 26 hours. So we're gonna take it out and open it up and see how it looks. All right, we're gonna lift this up. So we're gonna pull this bag out here. So I have it set up at 155 degrees. Oh, it's heavy. All right. Get it on the cookie sheet here. So that's what our brisket, this is just the flat portion, that's why it's so small. But that's, you can see all the, this was vacuum tight when we put it into the sous vide, and you can see all of those liquids in there. It's crazy. So we're gonna open this up. All right, just cut the corner off because we're gonna get all this liquid out of here and try to save it. Just that juice alone smells really good. Very smoky and beefy. Alright. Now I'm just going to slice across the top so we can get our brisket out of here. That was the fat cap. Alright, next step we're gonna put this into the broiler. You can see this is really juicy. We're gonna dry it a little bit and then we'll get it some color on top and on bottom. Alright, we got the brisket dried off, so it's ready to go in the oven. We're gonna open it up. We've raised up the top rack. We've got it on broil. Let's watch this one closely. Alright, the top half is still sizzling. We're just going to turn this over and put it back under the broiler. Alright, we're out of the oven onto a cutting board, so we are ready to cut this thing open and see how it turned out. It's hot. See, there's a little bit of a smoke ring. Again, this has only had a 2 to 3 hour smoke time before I put it into the sous vide. But it does have a smoke ring. Look at all those juices just going over there like a waterfall. It looks beautiful. So that is how brisket is done. Looks great. So we're gonna get this all cut up and we're gonna get our grub on.